I'm Lauren McFall, your instructor for Library 110, Simplified Research. In this course, we're going to be thinking about theoretical issues around information and simultaneously developing some concrete skills to make you better researchers. I know this class will come in handy for many of the research assignments you have to complete for other classes, but it's also going to prepare you for better navigating information in your everyday life. This first week of class, you'll be writing very brief introductions. So brief that I'm calling it 2 truths and 1 lie. In the discussion board, you'll actually see an example of my 2 truths and 1 lie, but here they are again. So 2 of the following statements are going to be true and 1 is a lie. Number 1, I am a librarian. Number 2, I like to surf. Number 3, I was born in Las Vegas. So I'm going to go ahead and spoil the whole party here and just tell you which ones are my truths and lies. I am, in fact, a librarian. As you can see, I'm in the library right now. These are all the books behind me. I have a master's degree in both library science and linguistics. I am also originally from Las Vegas, believe it or not. I didn't grow up in a casino. I moved to Los Angeles when I was out of high school, and I attended a community college, much like yourselves, before transferring to UCLA. I don't like surfing though. That is my lie. Not one bit. I tried to learn how to surf and I took lessons and everything. I was lying on my board out about 10 feet from shore, and lo and behold, a dolphin came up behind me in the water. At that point, I bolted. I swam back to shore, and I never surfed again. So sea life, the water, dark watery depths, we just don't get along. So now you know my 2 truths and a lie, but you could find out this information probably by doing some research. More than likely, you'd start your search by looking in Google. That's pretty typical. You'd likely find a LinkedIn profile for me that shows that I am in fact a librarian, or maybe you'd find my Southwestern College library faculty website. You might even be able to find where I'm from originally if you sleuthed around a little bit. But there is likely no chance that you'd find my lie. You would have to infer that because 2 statements were true, the other statement was a lie. And this is one of the ways that we use information on a regular basis. A lack of information can actually tell you something. So this is the type of thing that we're going to be exploring as we begin to unravel, demystify all that is research. I'm going to do my part to make sure that you have what you need to be successful in this class, but if I forget something or I overlook something, let me know. I welcome feedback. I'm happy to provide additional assistance via email, phone, chat, text, office hours, online conferencing, or any other way that would be helpful for you. So without further ado, let's begin the class.